Hi, I'm Tina Bryan, President of DOT Readiness Group. Whether you've just begun a DOT safety position, you're worried about getting audited, or if you feel like you've got everything done pretty well, but you just want some refresher training, I've made it my mission to learn everything I could about DOT audits and help people just like you avoid costly fines. I've spoken around the country, helped thousands of people understand the regulations, and avoid hundreds of thousands in fines. Now, I've taken my knowledge and more than 20 years of experience and developed it into this online course. While taking this course, you're going to learn how to prepare for an audit or compliance review using the 6 audit factors, decrease potential fines by implementing each factor into your company properly, understand the insurance basics and how your rating matters to them, and last but not least, the consequences of a poor rating and how to upgrade your rating. If you're someone who just started a company with 2 or more trucks, trying to figure out why you were chosen for an audit out of roughly 1 million companies they could have chosen, are wondering how they come up with the actual rating of your company, or maybe you just want to know the consequences of getting a poor rating. If you want to learn more about the 6 audit factors and how to be prepared for a DOT audit, sign up today, or better yet, bundle all of our courses for almost a 50% discount. Thanks for watching.